Hello everyone, we're heading out again this morning, Saturday morning. Instead of relaxing, no. I'm gonna go change an outdoor TXV on an old Rheem heat pump. It's got an interesting failure. It's actually liquid is making it into the equalizing line where it enters the compressor from the accumulator, and it is flashing in that line and freezing that line, and there's no cooling taking place. I've never seen any TXV fail quite this way, but it's an interesting phase, so we're going to switch that out and hopefully get them some cooling, and I can go home and relax. There's our TXV we're changing out. It is very, very difficult to reach. I'm going to remove the dryer and place it on the outside of the unit, or just get it out of there so I can work. That's going to be a tight fit. It's an old 95 Rheem heat pump. I'm just trying to make it last a little longer, otherwise I'd say get a new one. But tight outdoor TXV, we'll get it done. We got the new TXV brazed in place. I cut it off right there so I could sweat it out. I took the dryer out, which was right here, moved it to the outside of the unit, put a new one in, and sweat in the equalizing tube, which is right there. And everything's connected and ready to pressurize. There's our old valve and dryer. They've seen their better day. I asked for a lot of the components here on power stealing to get my power from my vacuum pump, which is running right now. And again, this is our TXV. The bulb is mounted, or remounted. The dryer's put upright, sort of to get out of the brush for when I was brazing hand. But they work better when they're upright anyway, so there's two reasons. Give somebody something to trip over. So just pulling a vacuum. After this, I'll be charging the unit and packing things up. The old Rheem is running very quietly. It's a very luxurious model. And I'm finishing up here, putting the charge in, taking temperatures and everything to make sure everything's alright. And we're cooling real well, getting 15, 16 degrees inside. So we have a happy customer who will no longer be hot and humid. One last look at our TXV there in action. Well, actually, not really. Check valves in action. Some other components. There's our accumulator looking particularly lovely. Discharge muffler. Compressor is inside of this metal shell with insulation around it. There's our reversing valve, our dryer. And we are good to go. Ooh, trash. There's our piece of our dryer. And now we're good to go. See you on the next one. I got home from work, and you know, duty is never over. If it's not AC, then it's family related. So I have my next activity to take care of right here. Playhouse uninjured. But alas, I think dear old dad's going to have to go up into that tree there and cut that limb down. Damn it.